Hi everyone, we're gonna go through the color guessing game here, the codes and the demonstration. The code, the game, it's a simple. When we click the start game button, it's telling that I'm thinking of one of these colors: blue, cyan, gold, gray, green, magenta, orange, red, white, and yellow. If we write right now, we see and we print it here, which is the right now the color expecting. And if we write, for example, the green here, it should tell me if it's higher or lower. If it say higher, I will click OK, and I will try this time with the lowercase. I will try, for example, gray, and it should tell me, for example, still. If I enter blue, it should tell me lower. As we see, A is lower than C. That's why it says, and it's counting how many tries we did, and it say this is your third try. And then when we click OK, this time if I write, for example, correct color, and then we can see congratulations message, and it took 5 guesses to finish the game. And once we hit the OK button, we will see the color behind on the background, on the body part. So yes, we can see that. What happened after 5 seconds? It's reload and the new game starts. To start a new game, we should start again. The button this time, as you see, it's white. What happened here, if I enter even, for example, if I write something, the non, which is not there, let's write purple. And it should say me it's not a recognized color because it's not in our array list. So, and what happened if I click cancel? This time it will it will stop the game. And then now let's see how's the process, what's the background on the developer side. As we can see, we have one H1 element, and we have one button, and we have one image in the background. For image, we are using body background image URL, and we are adding the path of the image. And the H1 elements, we have mentioned the position, how it should look like, and from the top, also from right, and text alignment on the center, and the color of that. This is for whole color. Then we editing with this helping span and class guessing part as well with different color. And font size, which is clear. And then we added class second word. So if we want to change second words class, we are adding, for example, if I change, let's say purple, it should change to the purple now. So let's leave it the purple. And this is how we changed the second words and inline element span we add here, and changing with the same class, which is the same class name, second word and second word. The button, we adding a JavaScript here, a run game function, and then we are adding here we are declare the array. How to declare array? We add const, and we adding one name of the array, and then with the square brackets, and we are adding our strings with the name of the colors. And the num tries, we initially start with the first try. Once we start here, it already counting one try. If we, for example, guess green, it should tell me, oh, we found from the first one. I guess we have a small bug here. We can change it to 0 and then try it now. And then let's guess now gray. Yeah, it took one guess for us. So we change it to the 0. We start with the 0 right now. And we are adding here our guesses, and the false, we start initial false, and we are adding here minimum, maximum. This is our math random functionality, which is calculating from the 0 index to the length, and our length is here is 10, so it will calculate 10 minus 1. It's not gonna reach 10 and it's gonna be out of bound. So that's why this functionality is enough to take care of from the 0 to the 10. As we count, there is a 10 elements, but index from 0 to 9. And for purposing of the, as we see, we are adding here target index and target. Our target is our color name. Target index is which element? Index. So we're starting with the do while loop. While we are not guessing the correct name, it will continue do here, and it will continue will saying that, okay, prompt guess another number. And we do have another functionality here, check, guess, and target, where we have initially we say it's false, correct is false, which is the correct here. We are adding passing the parameter here, and if it's not include any of the colors which is mentioning here, it should say this error message and plus how many times tried, and then it should again go to our prompt to guessing another one. And also if it's higher, we should say higher, as we demoed there. If it's less than that, which is the alphabetical lexical order is less than that, we should mention it. And that's all about it. And thank you for watching. And let's guess the last one and see. And then, and we do have here set timeout location after 5 seconds. As you see, this method taking care of the reload after 5 seconds, so we can start the new game. Yes, that's it about. Thank you for watching.